Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share my hands-on review. Looking for the perfect blender to power up your kitchen? Cup with straw in this video. We're counting down the top 5 blenders that deliver the best mix of performance, durability, and value. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Number 1, the Aeitto 1800W Smoothie Blender might just be your new favorite kitchen companion. In this video, I dive into its standout features. Start with a massive 68 ounces BPA-Free Tritan jar, perfect for making large batches of smoothies, soups, or frozen drinks for the whole family. With 3 preset programs, Smoothie, Ice Crush, and Pulse, and 7 variable speeds, it offers impressive versatility and ease of use. During testing, it handled frozen fruit and ice like a champ, delivering consistently smooth results thanks to its hardened stainless steel blades and powerful 2.25 HP motor. One thing I appreciated is how stable and solid the unit feels, even at high speeds. It's loud, but expected at this power level. Cleanup is straightforward, especially with the self-cleaning function. Overall, I recommend the Aeitto blender for anyone wanting pro-level performance without the premium price tag. In the video, I show real-time blending results, pros and cons, and tips for getting the most out of it. Don't miss it. Number 2. The Oster Extreme Mix Blender is a strong contender. With its 1,500-watt motor and 10-point stainless steel blade system, it handles everything from smoothies and nut butters to crushing ice with ease. The 64 ounces BPA-Free Tritan jar is spacious and durable, ideal for families or batch prep. I love the inclusion of pre-programmed settings, super convenient for one-touch blending. In the video, I demonstrate how it effortlessly blends frozen fruit and leafy greens into a silky smoothie. Noise level is a bit high at full power, but that's expected with high-speed blenders. Overall, the build feels premium and performance is impressive for price range. Whether you're upgrading from a basic model or diving into advanced blending, the Oster Extreme Mix delivers solid results. Be sure to check out the full demo and real-time performance in the video. Number 3, the Ganiza Smoothie Blender 900W, and I'm genuinely impressed by its performance and versatility. This 15-piece set includes multiple BPA-free cups and blades, making it perfect for everything from smoothies and protein shakes to grinding coffee or nuts. The 900W motor is powerful enough to crush ice and frozen fruits with ease, giving you silky smooth results in seconds. I appreciate how compact the design is, great for small kitchens. The cups are leak-proof and super convenient for on-the-go use. Plus, cleanup is a breeze since most parts are dishwasher safe. If you're looking for an affordable all-in-one personal blender and grinder combo, the Ganiza definitely delivers solid value. In this video, I show its performance in action, share my real-time thoughts, and give tips for the best blending results. Be sure to like and subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews. Number 4. The Chefman Obliterator is worth a look. With its 1380W motor and stainless steel blades, this blender doesn't just mix, it pulverizes ice, nuts, and frozen fruit with ease. In the video, I demonstrate its power by blending everything from frozen strawberries to whole almonds, and it handled each challenge impressively. The auto blend function is a nice touch, allowing for hands-free operation with consistent results. I also appreciate the thoughtful extras like the included tamper and scraper, which make thick blends easier to manage. The 48-ounce pitcher is ideal for small households or individual meal preps. While it's a bit louder than some models, that's expected from a machine this powerful. And the midnight finish gives it a sleek, modern look that complements any kitchen. Overall, the Chefman Obliterator offers excellent performance and value for smoothie lovers and home chefs alike. Number 5, the Consciot CB08 16-piece blender and grinder combo might be exactly what you need. In this video, I give a hands-on overview of this multifunctional appliance and test it out with a variety of recipes: smoothies, baby food, spice grinding, and frozen drinks. One of the best features of the CB08 is its dual functionality, blending and grinding. The 6-leaf stainless steel blades tackle frozen fruits and ice with ease, while the flat 2-blade attachment is great for dry grinding spices or nuts. I was especially impressed by how smooth the smoothie came out, even with tough ingredients like kale and frozen mango. The set includes a generous 16 pieces, which gives you multiple BPA-free jars and lids for both on-the-go convenience and food storage. The 400W motor isn't commercial grade, but is more than capable for personal and daily use. Cleanup is also easy. Most parts are dishwasher safe. While it's not meant for large batches, it's a perfect solution for personal use or small households. For the price, you're getting great value and flexibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest reviews and kitchen tips.